What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Tommy Hilfiger video, One Planet edition. Today I'm sharing with you guys something I picked up from the new capsule, One Planet by Tommy Hilfiger, and I'm super excited to check this out. You guys, the Love the World capsule, phenomenal, beautiful, beautiful pieces. I picked up two of them, as you've seen in my last Tommy Hilfiger video, or maybe a few Tommy Hilfiger videos ago, but now I finally received the package from the One Planet capsule. The selections were amazing. There were so many pieces that I wanted to pick up, but I just dropped so much money from the Love the World capsule, and also a few pieces that I recently just picked up from Tommy. Tommy, you're taking my money left and right. It's a little crazy, but it's a collection, it's an investment, it's my hobby, it's my joy, it's my love. What are you gonna do? You know what I mean? Like, there's some things people just spend money on, and me, it's Tommy Hilfiger. So we're gonna unbox this today. We're gonna have a Tommy Hilfiger experience. Also, at the end of this video, I'm gonna share with you something that I picked up for my Tommy Hilfiger bedroom. Yes, I am basically decorating my room Tommy Hilfiger style, and I have two new additions for the concept that I recently picked up, and I'm super excited to share with you guys as well. So if you're interested in today's video, grab yourself a snack, grab yourself a monster, or coffee, whatever you gotta do, and keep on watching. Tommy Hilfiger's been focusing on sustainability and dropping the most beautiful pieces on his website, and they're made out of 100% recycled cotton. You guys, I don't know about you, but sustainability is something that I really try to focus on and make a positive impact, at least for me and my partner, in our lifestyle. So I hope this is encouraging you guys to do the same. And for the fashion industry, Tommy Hilfiger's always been a brand to look up to. And I'm really hoping a lot more companies are gonna take the same route that he's taking when it comes to eco-friendly and conscious choices fashion-wise. So I love that. Let's get to open up this package, guys. I only picked up one piece from this collection because, again, Tommy Hilfiger just dropped the Love the World capsule for us US customers, and there's also a pastel drop that's gonna be happening. I don't believe it's sustainable, but I want it. I plan on buying like a lot of pieces from that, so you know, I gotta spend my money wisely, guys. So we have one thing in here, and yeah, receipt. So we finally have it. So first and foremost, this was actually on pre-order, and then I had to wait like 2 weeks pretty much to get it. So I got it, and I cannot freaking wait to wear this. The color, I mean, that's the thing that kind of captures me at first, is this beautiful color right here. I don't even know what you want to call this. It's kind of like a mix between like a peach and a beige, and it is super soft. For like a recycled cotton, the quality is amazing. So that's definitely something I want to make sure I acknowledge. Like, you think when it comes to recycled products, like, it's not going to be the most amazing quality. I don't know why we think that way, but we tend to. I'm not getting that vibe at all with this. So let's take a look at the tag first and foremost. It says, "Make recycled possible, Tommy Hilfiger." I got a size large because I believe this is from the men's section, but I mean, obviously anyone could wear it. I just like my things to be a little more comfy, and I'm pretty sure some of the pieces are unisex, so I wanted to be safe. I'm already obsessed with it. Check it out. Oh my gosh, got a glimpse of the back. The front though, that logo with the white and the red holding hands speaks a lot, especially these days with the whole moving forward together movement and everything that we're trying to accomplish the past year with equality and BLM, and it's just, this is really iconic, and I'm super proud to own a piece from this capsule. Now the back though, are you guys ready for this? Oh my god, the H is holding hands. I would absolutely be honored to be a part of any Tommy Hilfiger campaign, but if he was to do some type of campaign with Pride Month, I feel like that'd be something that I, and maybe even my partner, would be absolutely honored to be a part of. And I've mentioned it to Tommy Hilfiger before, because I do from time to time speak to the Tommy Hilfiger page on Instagram, and the actual Tommy Hilfiger, the king of it all, follows me on the House of Hilfiger, my Tommy appreciation page on Instagram. And I haven't really spoke to him much, but the actual marketing page, I have dropped hints to them that I want to work together, be a part of a campaign, be an ambassador, anything. But I did say once before that I highly would love to be part of something to do with a good movement like Pride and something equality related. So yeah, seeing this shirt just reminds me of like how amazing Tommy is when it comes to acknowledging life in general and equality and just things that mean something, not just fashion. This is a statement piece, and I love that, so it's really cool. Moving on though, guys, I said earlier that I'm decorating my room Tommy Hilfiger style, and I already have all the bedding pieces down. Nothing is open. I ordered like basically most of it from online, and I'm gonna be doing a dedicated video for that. I'm not sure if I'm going to share like my bedroom being decorated or just pictures here and there, because like that's a little personal. So I have something in this bag that's gonna be going on my nightstand. You probably already know what it is. I don't know what that is, but let me just unbag this really quick. It is a lamp. How beautiful is this? I got lucky and I visited a HomeGoods this past week, and they had this just out on the horizon. There was actually a lot of Tommy Hilfiger lamps at HomeGoods. So if you guys are in the market for like a new lamp or some pieces Tommy Hilfiger related, I've been seeing tons of Tommy Hilfiger stuff at HomeGoods. So I'd highly recommend checking it out. These were, because I got two of them, I have another one down here, $29.99. That's insane. One thing I do want to make sure I mention though as well is I've seen a lot of Tommy Hilfiger lamps being sold on eBay, and Poshmark, I know Macquarie sells them as well, that are like hundreds of dollars. So I don't plan on selling this, guys. This is my piece. I'm also going to be keeping on the tag just like my other Tommy Hilfiger lamp. By the way, I do have this Tommy lamp that I have in my closet here. I actually have a video on this channel of me designing my closet, picking out pieces for it, doing the whole shutter shelf for my hats. And I love designing and doing stuff like that. So that's also another factor on this channel. It's not just Tommy Hilfiger. I'm very excited for the things that are planned for the near future. And if you guys are looking forward to anything, give this video a thumbs up and sound off in the comment section down below. Also, if you did purchase something from the One Planet collection, please let me know what you got and if it's worth checking out as well. As usual, do not forget to check out my Tommy Hilfiger playlist. I go to thrift stores looking for vintage Tommy pieces. I go to department stores. I shop online for Tommy pieces. I do auctions for vintage pieces. You name it, this is your #1 source for all things Tommy Hilfiger. Again, I also do have the Tommy Hilfiger appreciation page on Instagram known as the House of Hilfiger. On this page, I basically just share my collection, pieces that I want to get, new pieces, new capsules such as this, and I also do feature a lot of people that are within the Tommy Hilfiger community, because guys, there's a lot of us and it's actually really admirable to know how many people appreciate the brand. So it's pretty awesome. So hashtag House of Hilfiger as well as tag House of Hilfiger to possibly get featured on the page. And if you're not already, please do not forget to follow my personal Instagram at 𝘗𝘗𝘗𝘗. That's it right there. Give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to click the notification bell. That's going to notify you whenever I upload a new video. And I'm going to stop talking though. I feel like I just informed you with way too much stuff to follow and do. So if you did that, thank you so much. Until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.